Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an Apple developer account. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and going to developer.apple.com. Click the account button and sign in using your Apple ID. If you are new, simply click Create Yours. Now, fill in the required details and tap Continue. Once your Apple ID is ready, click Enroll Now. You'll be taken to a new page where you can download the Apple Developer app from the App Store. Tap Download and install the app. After the app is installed, open it. If you're not already signed in, tap Account and sign in with your Apple ID. Once signed in, tap Enroll Now. You will see a list of the benefits and requirements of the program. Review them, and when you're ready, tap Continue. Now, as the account holder, enter your legal first name, last name, and phone number. Make sure the name matches your official ID exactly. Do not use nicknames or company names. Next is identity verification. You will be asked to use your driver's license or a government-issued photo ID to verify your identity. Take a clear photo of your ID and tap Confirm. Please note that for developers in Mexico, driver's licenses are currently not accepted. Next, enter your organization details. Select your entity type and make sure you use the legal entity name only. Do not use any trade names or DBAs, because this name will appear as the seller for your apps. You will also need your organization's DUNS number, which is a 9-digit identifier provided by Dun & Bradstreet. If you don't have one yet, you can search for it or request it for free. After that, enter your headquarters address and phone number, and make sure everything is correct and up to date. Your organization must also have a public website. Enter the official domain name linked to your organization. Confirm that you have the legal authority to bind your organization to agreements and provide a contact person who can verify your authority. Once you submit your information, Apple will review your application. Keep an eye on your email in case Apple needs anything else. If you are a nonprofit, educational institution, or government organization, you may be eligible for a fee waiver, so make sure to request it using the provided link. After approval, you'll receive an email to complete your enrollment. Open the Apple Developer app again, tap the Account tab, and sign in. Then tap Continue your enrollment. Review the Apple Developer Program License Agreement and tap Agree. Finally, review your annual subscription details and tap Subscribe. That's it. You are now enrolled and ready to start building apps with the Apple Developer Program. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.